Hi guys, everyone. So here is number 3 about animals, volume 3 about animals. So let's see on what page are we. So my last videos, we were talking about plants or animals which we can see that plants are not plants, they are animals which can eat other animals in the Dead Sea. So let's continue seeing more interesting things. So now we are going to go to learn about animals group. So let's see why there is many animals groups and different types of animals groups and why there are so many groups. Let's see. Animals group. To make it easier to study animals, scientists have arranged them in groups. The animals in each group are alike in one or more important way. So let's see the different group. Mammals. If an animal drinks milk when it is young and has hair on its bodies, it belongs to the group called mammal. There are about 4,000 kinds of mammals including human. Here is the mammal, the 3 types of mammal. Reptiles. If an animal has a scaly skin, is cold-blooded and is born on land, it belongs to the group called reptiles. There are about 6,000 kinds of reptiles. Ambitions. If an animal has a skeleton, is born in water and breathes with gills but can live on land when it is adult, it belongs to the group called ambition. There are more than 3,000 kinds of ambition. Is the type of ambition: lizard, frog, and frog. If an animal comes out of an egg with a hard shell, and when adult has a fever on its body, it belongs to the group called birds. There are over 8,000 kinds of birds. Here is the birds, parrot, and different types of birds also. Now next. If an animal lives in water and has gills, scales and fins on its body, it belongs to the group called fish. There are about 21,000 kinds of fish. Let's continue. Arthropods. If an animal has 3 or more pairs of joint legs and a hard covering over its whole body and no skeleton, it belongs to the group called arthropods. There are over 800,000 kinds of insects along the arthropods group. Here is some insects, spider, and I don't know what is that. Next, mollusk. If an animal has a soft body with no skeleton but is usually protected by a hard shell, it belongs to the group called mollusk. Some have no shell. It has 8,000. There are 800,000 kinds of mollusks. Here is some: octopus and straw. Meet the mammal. Do you have a pet mammal? If you have a dog or a cat or a pet gerbil or hamster, there you do. Perhaps you have seen baby puppies or kittens feeding from their mother puppies. Behave. You have seen a human baby feeding from its mother bodies. We have mammals too. All mammals babies drink milk from their mother's bodies for their first food. A lioness scatters her cubes in the wild. So here is the lioness feeding the cube, and here a cat feeding her kittens in the same way as the lioness. Let's see next. Seem interesting, but let's read. The yachting shaggy hair protects it from the cold climate of Tibet, where it lives. Here, the open lips of the walrus is covered with thin or sensitive to touch and may help the animals to find food. Here is the two animals, little weird and scary. So let's read the small text. Mammals are alike in others way too. They are warm-blooded. They may be freezing cold or very hot, but mammals' body stay at just about the same temperature all the time. Mammals have few or hair. The few can be short, long, straight, or curly. There may be lots of it covering every part of the body, as on dog or cat, or just a few. Stiff whiskers in one place, as one on whales and dolphins. Mammals manage to live among everywhere. Polar bear lives in some of the coldest places in the world. Camels live in some of the hottest places. Dolphins are mammals that spend their whole life swimming in the ocean. Bats are mammals that often live in dark caves and can fly. These small texts found it very interesting, and others too, about types of groups of animals. It's learn us how many groups are there, how many types or difference they have. There is more text. Very nice. So it seems so interesting about mammals. So let's continue it with the rat now. Let's continue. Beginning up the family. Most mammal babies live inside their mother until they are born. They are joined to their mother by a tube. As the baby grows, it to get food and oxygen from its mother body through the tube. When it is completely formed, the baby leaves its mother body. All young mammals eat the same thing. They all drink milk that comes from their mother bodies. Young giraffe, mice, whales, and bats all drink their mother milk. Many kinds of young mammals are weak and helpless for a long time. Kittens, puppies, and mice are born with closed eyes which only open for the first time after a few days. Like human babies, they have weak legs too. But their mother looks on very carefully until they have learned to walk. Some young mammals are much stronger. A giraffe can walk with its mother after a few hours as young mammals grow in its jaw, get strong. Its baby teeth fall out, a stronger, sharper teeth grow in their place. Now the mother you teach it to eat adult food. But most young animals learn to find food by watching their parents. Those that eat plants learn to choose the one that tastes best. Some may learn to hunt down other animals. Others learn to swim and dive for their food. Young animals are in danger from many things. They will die or be killed if they won't protected by their parents. But as they grow older, they must learn to look after themselves. They learn to listen for danger, to watch for it, even to sense it with some special warning instant. When the young mammal is quite able to look after itself, the mother or father will dive it away, behaves a little baby of babies will be born soon, and the parents will need all their time and energy for the new family. At birth, a baby giraffe may stand as tall as 1.8 meters. Let's see. Oh, interesting. 1.8 meters. Seem interesting about a giraffe also. So here look at the mice and the babies. These hairless newly born mice will need the care of the mother until they are strong enough to look after themselves. Okay, they need more time. So I seem these texts interesting about how the parents take care of the mammals also. So the lecture will be continuing in other video. Part 2 will come soon. Take care. Bye bye.